Hello everyone. Let's resume our third part, or this is the final part for the video. Okay, let's recap what we have already done. Like that, we import the libraries, then we load the data. Our data looks like this: the raw form of data. Then we remove the unwanted columns, and it's now look like this. Then we clean the file like we find if there is any null values are present with the help of is not method. Then we use the graphical method like hit map to find the null values. Then we go for the numerical for our uh, means clarity. Then we find the duplicates. We found duplicate in the title row. It is obvious that the title should be unique and all the rows should be unique. So, we have 10,000 rows, and here we have 9,657 unique titles. So we have duplicates here. So we remove them and move to our analysis. Before that, we manipulate the data like we here you can see there is a release date column here, and we want to use this column to analyze the data set. Like we want the date, and so that we can have the like date from the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then we want that month, and we want that year. So we convert it to date, month, and year format. There is the code we have already discussed. Then we rearrange the data. Here we provide the month, like which we have months here like 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 in this format. So we want to know that 0, 1 in January we know. So we assign 0, 1 to January in the map in dot map method using a library. Sorry, using a dictionary. So like that we have the Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, like the day of the week. Using these methods, then we move toward our analysis. Uh, okay. Then we drop the release date column because it is not longer necessary, but we derive the necessary data from that column. Here we reorder our movie data set so that it can be analyzed easily. Here the description of the data set, the clean data set. Now we go for the analysis. The first method is first we use overall analyze the data set. We first found that the how much the top 5 years where most of the movies are released. And we show them in the a bar plot. Actually, I improvise the code and improvise the analysis by using most of the exploited data analysis method or in the form of visual, so it is more attractive. So these are the years where most of the movies released in a descending format. Like 2018, most of the 2018, then 2019, 2017, 16, and 14. Here we will we will sort the movie data set on the basis of the code average or the rating. So these are the finding we have already done. Like the tail head person, this is the tail person of the sorting data sorted form. Here we sort on the basis of the port count, and here we sort the data set in the form of the popularity. The main purpose of doing that we will see the top 5 movies having most popular top 5 movies with most count and top 5 movies with best rating. And same goes for the tail compartment, the least rated movie, least popular, and least vote count. We can find all on that from here. Now, the main purpose or the main step is to determine the parameters where we can analyze which is the best movie. Because in the data set, it is the best way to analyze the data set is to find the best movie. So we use so here we here we that method like there will test a like a test talent test method. Here we provide the highest movie with vote average of more than 8, but vote count less than 500 and popularity is low. we try to find either any such situation is present there, and we can found that yes we have like we have 61 movies with uh, best rating like 8.5 to 8 in between, and but having they are not popular enough like 11.18 popularity index, and only 291 vote count are there. So we know that only going by the rating or we cannot found the best movie. We, the, so we will use the multiple factors like we will use vote count and vote average and popularity, and we'll having a certain threshold like here we use vote count more than 7,000, here we use vote average more than 7.8, the rating is more than 7.8, popularity is more than 110. Then we have the movie which is you can say that yes, these are the best movies or these are the best movie in that data set. Like, and you, the best thing is that you know most of the movie like Avengers, Interstellar, Lion Kings, the Shawshank Redemption, Harry Potter. These are the most common, the common movie of the favorite movies of our time. So now we go for the another or the next step for the exploration data analysis, like which day most of the movies are released. We can see the Friday in the overall data set. Friday is the day where most of the movies are released. Then followed by Wednesday, and Thursday will be the same amount of movies released here. Here we can see. Uh, okay. Here we see that the this is the bar plot. You can see most clearly. Then in this way we analyze the data for the overall data set. Then we go for that year wise, like we in here this plot so that the every month wise movie release. Here you can see that September has the most of the movie release that for data set. Yes. So we already discussed the whole data set, then the movies released in 1970s here, then the movies released in English language. You can see the movies released in English language. Okay. Oh, the 19 movie 1970s, then the latest movie which are released in 2010 to 2023. Then we will see that this is the year-based analysis. Then we go for the language-based analysis. Here we analyze the basis of the. We take one which English, the movie reading English, which is one of the biggest data chunks in the data set. And then we go for the movie which is the Bollywood, which is not really discussed, and we will discuss the main mode of that video to discuss the movie which is the uh, Hindi language. So. Okay. Okay. And here we analyze the movie on the basis of the language. Like we have the English movie data set. We can see that the head of the data set here and the description. So now let's quickly go to our next analysis like we release it in Hindi language, which are the Bollywood movies. Okay. Just give me yeah, maybe. We can see with different like graphs we have already generated. So we have already generated the data set which is movie in the language of Hindi. We just run the data. Here we go. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, My Name is Khan, Three Idiot, Dangal. These are the Hindi movies. Okay, I will go. So then we will go for the data set. Here we have 47 movie, and we have a mean average of 7.26. Vote count of the mean of the vote count is 452 and popularity 11.2. Here the interesting thing that the maximum popularity we have 31, and IMDB with 11, which is it shows that these Hindi movies are, if you compare in this subset of the data, then yeah, okay, we can find the most the highest popular movie or popular movie, but overally Hindi movies are not popular. The data set are not like it's a general truth or anything. But this data set, the mean of the popularity of the Bollywood movie are very less. Like if you go for the description of the overall data set, then we have, just give me a minute. Okay, here we can also do, just go there and want to have a side by side analysis. Just add a new cell here. Just click that button, then just you can see here. Okay, here you can see the maximum popularity is like 4083, and minimum is far less, but the mean of the popularity you can see is 23, but overall data set which contain many language of movies and movie released in English. And the peculiar thing is that this dataset contains only 47 movies, while this dataset contains like 9,657. So, as per you can see, Hindi movies are not that popular in the dataset. Okay, then we go for the how much movie or how many movies are released in each year. The statistic, then you can see in 2013, 5, 12, 5, we can have okay, these are the data. If you want to have to show it in a bar plot, then here we go. Okay, this will show a lot of data, so you can see that here. Let's go for the vote average or the to see the best highest rated Bollywood movie in this way. You just sort the data set using on the column of the vote average in the descending manner. Then we just use the dot head command to find the top 10 movie. So top 10 are mostly Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, My Name Is Khan, Dangal, Three Idiot, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, This is Yum PK, Kuch Kuch Hota. These are all movies. Most of the people we go, most of us we are know all this movie. Then we go for the top 10 least rated movie. Okay, here Om Shanti Om 7, Padma 6.9, Dil Chahta Hai 6.9, like that. Ravan, okay, Ravan is one of the good movies like of that time, but it's far more advanced, in my opinion, for that time. Okay, let's go for the vote count here. Uh, because this data set is quite very small, so we can find most of the variation here. So we have same Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Three Idiot, My Name Is Khan, as they are present in the top 5 most rated movie, or the top 10 most rated movie. Then we go for the sorry, Bollywood. Here we go for the least vote count movies. Okay. Here we have Don, Joby, Mad Fan, Happy New York. Okay. These are the movie which are voted less, or the less people are vote for the movie, vote in this movie. Then we go for the popularity, which are the most popular in the Bollywood industry or the Bollywood movies in that data set is the same name. If you found the best popular movie or the top 10 most popular movie, top 10 most movie with most vote count and top rated movie, we will can find the mostly the same movies like Three Idiot, My Name is Khan, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayegi, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Dangal. Like these are the movie. Okay, then we go for that. The tail portion means the least popular movie. Yep. Happy New Year. Okay, Happy New Year, Dawn, Randev Santi, Burfi, Lunchbox, Ye Jawani Diwan. These are the movies. Munna Bhai MBBS. I don't know. Munna Bhai MBBS is quite a popular movie. Okay, then we go for the now, like we will provide some information, some parameter like the vote count is uh, more than 10%, more than 1,000. Then vote average is more than 7.8. Popularity is 10. We take popularity 10 because here we can see that the popularity, highest popularity is in that movie data set. You can find the description like the highest is 31. So we will give a threshold of 30%. So we will take 10. Just here. So these are the movie which stand in our condition. Which is just three movies. Same in the top movies like Dilwale Dulhania, My Name is Khan, Three Idiot. Shahrukh Khan is there, as you see. That's why he's called the king of the Bollywood. Okay, then we'll find the month wise link means how much movie are released in which month means number. Here we can find December, December, December having has the most movie release because due to the Christmas or the New Year factor. October or due to the Diwali, as we know, these are the festival months as we know of. So let's go for the okay. These are the all movies here. Which one they are released? Then we found the best movie as per our condition, which we find the best movie and which month they are released. December, February, and October are the like if you go the 66% of the best movies are released in the festival years are December and October. Okay, then okay, we can find it in the bar chart also here. Same for the December and October. And okay, now we'll go for the day. In which day movies are released for the entire data set? Yeah, and when it may be the Friday, yes, the Friday and the Thursday. And for the best movie, we'll let's see, either Friday, no, it's Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, let's we can find the most of the data in a single plot using pair plot, and the pair plot looks like that. While loading the pair plot, okay, because this is the small data set, so pair plot is usually loading small time. So here you can see the concentration of the dots. Each dot shows a single movie because we have only 47 of movies, so there is not much more dots. You can find okay for here we know okay yeah after 2018 and 2022 most of the movie release are in this duration of okay, most of the movie here you can see at least in this duration of after 2020 and before 2022 if I before 2020 okay after 2000 and before 2020 and most popular movies are also in this area. Vote count, vote average, all the best movie, all the which highest rated or highest popular movies are between 2000 and 2020. Okay. For the vote average, we have popularity and vote average. As we know that we have in the popularity index of the Bollywood is not much high, like it maximum 30. Here are the one movie which are crossing the 30 threshold line. As you know, it's 33 or 31 something. Here, most of the movie lies. Like this point is between, if you can say, 8, 8 to 13, something like that. So, average is 11, as you can see. Then the board count. For the board count here also, less board count we see that the Bollywood movie have not that much of board count. Yes, some movie crossing the 4,000 mark, and here is the one movie that crossing the high popularity level most higher than 30. So you can find most of the data from a pair plot. Pair plot gives us the flexibility to use just one plot and find most of the data. So any data you want to find, most of them you can find in the pair plot, and you can use a pair plot for the like a different type of using a KD type of pair plot. This is a general pair plot, KD type pair plot. Like it will show the concentration. KD plot will show the concentration of the here the same thing you can find was different. Here you can see the popularity. As we know, popularity is less than 30. This is here is it's the 30 more than 30 mark. So one movie is falling there. 20 to 20, 30. One movie, so most of the movie falling the between the it's like 10 or 11. You can see we know that mean is 11. So if it's 0 is 20, then it's in between 0 and 20 like a medium mark. So it's 11. We can find any the all the analysis we have already done. We can find the answer here in graphical form. Then okay, for these are the command which we can. Let's just run the command first, then we'll discuss further. Okay, here if we just compare the two data set which are generated from the language of the release, like the English and the Bollywood data set. We can see that English movie 7,076, like more than 73% of our total movies in this data set is released in the English language, and only 47 movies are released in the Bollywood. Even if okay, because of the low count. So if you consider the thing like if you even if the Bollywood have this small count like 47 to compare with 7,376 English movie, we can see that the English movie have the popularity, the main popularity is more than the Bollywood movie. If same goes for the vote count, the main vote count is 452, while in the English for the English movie it is 1936. Only the vote average more for the Bollywood. For the same thing, the maximum vote count here is 4,069, while it is 33,000, which hell have a difference. The maximum popularity 31, while it is 4,083, where the popularity index is more than that the vote count of the Bollywood. So these are the general ideas or the general insights you can derive from the description table. For the year wise, so we have the 70s to 80, like for the 10 year, for the project 10 to 23, like 13-year movie. We can see that during this 10 year, like 70s to 80, only 430 movies are there for our data set. But here we have 4,000, like 45% of the total data set, like 4,562 total. We can see the vote average is more for the 70s movie, while 6.67 for the the latest movies. Uh, vote count is 1,076, and here is 1,700. We can see these are the description, like, these are the inside you can find the discussion table. And the peculiar thing that you can found that the most of the movie released in any common data set, whether it's in the complete data set or for the 70s for the latest movie, or for the English, or for the Bollywood movies. Most of the movies are released in the Friday. Right. Okay, this is data set. Then we'll go for the, yes, for the movie. It is Friday. Okay. Then we'll go for the, if you it is for the whole data set. Then we can see that most of the movies are released in the Friday, then the Thursday. Just remember these two terms. Now, if you go here, if you find the top movies released, then you found that it's the Wednesday and the Tuesday. We hear the most of the movies released in the Friday and Thursday. Just remember the Friday is for the entire data set, and the Wednesday for the best data set, highest in the day. Okay. You can find the trend is everywhere. Like for the whole data set we see. Now we'll go to find the 1970s data set. Here we'll see. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Here also Friday having the most movie, the day of the or the popular day for the release. Then if we on the same way, just give me a minute. That's what I have done this or not done. Okay, let's find out. Just, just copy that. If you want to have, okay. Okay, let's select some condition like T. Okay, then 7,000. Okay, for here we can see that West and Friday for the best movie. Uh, Friday and West are the most popular here. Then we go for that latest movie trend. Yeah, here also you can find that Friday is the most popular or the choice day for the movie release. Sure. Okay. For the best movie of that latest movie, you can see that Wednesday. Wednesday have the movie released in Wednesday, or the uh, most successful movies are released in the Wednesday. And you can see that the Wednesday and Friday here also there in the uh, 1970s 1980 data set. Here also Wednesday is excelling. So here if okay. Before going to the conclusion, we will see the next two example like for the English movie and for the Bollywood movie. Okay. Here also one thing you can see common like the September is the most preferred month for the movie release in the most of the data set. Okay. Here also September, I will discuss just for the whole database for the movie released in the English. The Friday is the most preferred. The most of the movie released in the Friday, and here we also see the Wednesday and Friday common. The Wednesday is more the more successful movie than the Friday. So okay, then we will go for the last. Here also we have the Friday in the as a general for the Bollywood movie. Friday is the most of the movie released in the Friday, but most of the highest rated or the best movie released in the Wednesday. So you can find that the for the whole database, the generally the Friday is the best Friday most of the movie released, but the best movies are released mostly in the Wednesday. Same like for the September is the most important month for the release of the release, but it is not same but Bollywood movie doesn't follow that trend because here in India we celebrate most of the festival like Diwali, Christmas or other New Year in the time of the October and December. So October and December are the most important month for the movie release. Okay, if you hear this snoring, just ignore that my roommate is sleeping. So please pardon me for that. And okay, this is the end of the video, and we analyze the most of the insight here, and I will provide the uh, and I will upload the video as soon as possible. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. And if you find this helpful, just subscribe and like it and share with other people who can help them. And we will upload more and more such videos. And I will try to move towards the SQL and the other basic Python uses so that it can be more useful. Thank you. Have a good day.